right, East London massive. But some people feel like beer sun a shine a East End right about now. That me I tell you. Time to dance and sing and sing and sing. You know the thing says. Another one of my here. Alright, so yeah.
Exclusive by Slays.
Like, eh? You know it's my hot boy out in the place. So it's set, you see? No. Yo, time for freestyle. East London thing, yo. But I feel like big up all of the artists, them, you see me? Danger, big up yourself, me know. So the thing set, foolish crew. You don't know, East End crew for life. Yo, East End are with me there. Yo, already East End are with me there. No, they know, yo. Then I really know. Life with me there, you know. Yo, freestyle. For a while, ever since I was a child, I always freestyle. See me here, look at my face, so I'ma smile. That's my style. I don't really give a damn what people say. They better understand. Lobby, you know that I got a flipping plan. Shit. Oops, some spit's coming out my mouth. Can't really believe it. Oh my God, is that what's going on? Yeah, I'ma spit lyrics till the break of dawn. Spitting them, I can't go wrong. So, yo, them just can't run with my flow. No. So here I go, yeah. Right about now, East London thing this. No, East London thing this. Yeah, East London. Here I go with my bad job, flow them not know. They feel it on it till they hear it on the radio. Here I go. Lively, the real me hot. No bitch them just can't take that me happy. Black, drop me a black, back, and now we not bad mind head back. Yeah, it's lively now. It's lively now. What you saying? What you? And this is the thing said to see. Big up all of the massive Bumbo Clat. No, Yeah. You don't know me. They live in this flip. YouTube, don't know me there. My space, you don't know me there. Listen what me do. Pulla chica pana goliga. Pulla chica pana goliga. Baka, baka. Pulla chica pana goliga. Pulla chica pana goliga. Show him the style. Show him the rastica. How we walk, move like a goliga. How when you see him on the street, you get bigger. You're my halfway chain, my big sinner. Right baby, want me one like say I feel money, my spend money, and I lie to him friend. No come and tell me, yo, pulla chica pana goliga. Yo, pulla chica pana goliga. No, pulla chica pana goliga. Pulla on you. Let's go back in and they did this. First I want to try this phenomenon and take this. If I not repart me this straight, I want to go to the man. So it's so way. Want to never get this yo. Because go and look, I'm this yo. And they don't want to try me to do this yo. I say you must tell me I'm making this yo. Pulla chica pana goliga. Pulla chica pana goliga. Baka, baka. Pulla chica pana goliga. Pulla. Chega. Dog. When feel like. You don't know say them a parasite. Eh? Now for them want to step in my face and want to try get right. I want to do them. Eh? You know some not take the talk. Don't talk. Listen, dog. So all of them ready come along.